Hello everyone, it's Room Trades here back with you, and we are looking at Bitcoin chart. Why I have not talked about Bitcoin for a while, because actually if you will look at the chart, there was nothing seriously happening for a long time. I mean really long time. If you will notice here, Bitcoin is just trading in the range, in the smaller range from this border on the top and this border on the bottom. So, why I am so concerned about the price of Bitcoin? Why am I making this video now? Because I want you to have a look first at this area that I have marked for you. And notice how many retests the Bitcoin already had. Over here it was twice retested, and a couple of times here, and then another retest. Then you can see twice retested over here again. And so many, I cannot even count how many times it was retested because it is something. So definitely you know that this level is extremely important for Bitcoin and that somebody is buying everything here. Whenever the price goes lower, you can see that someone is buying all these things. Someone is buying all these things here too. So you definitely know that there is a huge limit order placed here, maybe even multiple orders. And we really do not know how many orders are placed here on different exchanges and how long it will hold. Because you know there's a saying, the more times the price tests some kind of level, then the higher probability is that the price will finally break it and go, in this case, lower. So if you will ask, what am I doing now in with the Bitcoin? You know that I had Bitcoin and I still have like Bitcoin. And also, I have opened the hedge position somewhere around here. So I am hedging my risks in order if the Bitcoin price will break lower, then I will not lose any money. Because my main goal is to minimize the potential losses and maximize the potential profits. That's it. Everything about trading is about minimizing your potential losses. And then you can take care about your profits. Also, what I want you to look at, let's actually go on a 3-day time frame because it's easier to spot it there. If you will take the retracement of all of this structure, I will show you how I did it the same way, my favorite tool, from the swing low into the swing high. Then what you can see here are several zones that I have marked for you on the charts already. And the zone number one, which is extremely important, is 0382 over here. And then the next one is 50% retracement. So why I am concerned is because the Bitcoin price is got stuck in between. And usually the price goes and retests some of these levels. So basically what I'm saying is that there is a high potential for the price to go lower here and retest this area, 50% retracement. Actually, it can even go lower, all the way down. Everything depends on what's going to happen with the Bitcoin, with the world's economy. And we know that the world's economy is not doing great now, especially US economy, China economy, with inflation and possible recession coming. So any of these targets are possible. That's why I am still in my hedge position and I'm not closing it. When I will start looking at Bitcoin, and I will close my hedge position only whenever the price will break above this EMA ribbons and form several candles above it. Because also you can see that there is a Kumu cloud which will act as a very strong resistance on the way. Also here's I think that's 100-day EMA over here, which will also act as a resistance. You can see that the price already tried to break through the Kumu cloud over here, but it did not succeed and fell lower. There was another try here. So we may face a little bit more range movement here than the retest of some of these levels. And who knows where the price will go. It can go lower, it can go higher. But what I'm saying is according to the mathematics and the game of probabilities, there's a higher possibility that the price will go lower and retest some of these levels. It doesn't mean, it doesn't guarantee that it will do that. But also, if you will look at some other indicators, for example, Now let's look at the RSI. You can see that this was the lower low, the bottom, which have not been broken yet. That's why I have it marked here for you. And you see that here was the lower low on the RSI. And by the way, there's no divergence on the Bitcoin. So absolutely possible that the price can go to some of these levels. Then we will see a divergence on RSI, and then it can give more reasons to go higher. And technically, it is absolutely possible. So I'm not saying that it will do that. Not a financial recommendation. I'm just saying, what am I doing in order to hedge my losses, possible losses, and maximize the future possible gains? So let's go ahead and look at the chart, how the price will react. I believe there will be some kind of movement pretty soon, because look at how the price is retesting the EMA ribbons. And usually when you see this kind of interaction between the price and the EMAs, then there's a big movement coming. So we will see where that movement will go. And I want you to get ready for both of the scenarios. And by the way, if it will go higher, then what are the potential targets? If it will go higher, then I also have the Fibonacci retracement place for you here. And here's the golden pocket, which is the most probable target also. These areas are very important, but the most important thing, if it will break higher, we need this level, this higher high to get broken in order for Bitcoin to establish the uptrend, because now we are still in the downtrend. And you know the saying, the trend is your friend. Don't neglect it. I hope you liked this video and you found some interesting and useful information. Don't forget to hit the like button, and as always, subscribe to the channel to keep updated. Talk to you later.